Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily Freybler if you're new here. Today we're doing another home decor vlog. I'm gonna put together multiple days of footage just to show you guys how I'm updating my house and, well, apartment and things like that. I'll show you more of what it's looking like right now once I pick up a little bit, but right now I'm putting together this, what is this? Like a TV cart, but I'm gonna use it as something to put right here as kind of just like an entryway table. This lamp is gonna be moving over here. I guess I might as well just show you what it looks like now. So this is Luna. These are our couches and our rug. I'm gonna be painting this table this shade of like a blue gray color. So I'm gonna be painting the whole table, I think. I almost want to like stain these legs a similar color to this, or like a dark wood, and then do the tops maybe. But I think I might just do everything for this and the coffee table over there, and then this I'm thinking about staining a darker color. I don't really know yet, but I like that. What is this? HQ? Okay. And then this is a pile of things that I need to spray paint, like these frames. I'm gonna do a DIY with this basket and like drape blankets over it and stuff like that. I need to get a floor lamp over here because there's no like lighting in the ceiling in this area. There's only lighting up here in the kitchen, and then there's like a hallway light over here. So I need some more lighting. So I need a floor light lamp thing here, and then that's gonna be moving over there so there's more light. I also am gonna do a DIY like table for Luna's cage. We're gonna try that out with Caleb and stuff. And then this is our patio. I'll show you guys our patio furniture. It's really cute. It's from Target. So it's just these like folding chairs here and this tiny table. Nothing too much, but just simple. And then I have my mat from when we were at our other place, so it's nice and dirty. This is for when I spray paint so that I don't get things everywhere. I'm gonna be doing a gallery wall up here, so I'll show you guys the whole process of that. And my parents are coming this weekend, and my dad's actually going to be checking in his luggage a drill so he can help me hang some of these mirrors. I don't know if I said in my other vlog that the mirror in my bedroom, there's like this big one that I got from Caleb's mom and stepdad that I have on my vanity table now, and I didn't really want it on there. I want it like above this couch or above our bed or something like that, as more of like an accent mirror to like really open up the space. But I also really want to do a gallery wall here, so I might like incorporate the mirror in the gallery wall. We'll see. I'm not sure exactly how it's gonna go, but I'll show you guys the process. So right now I'm putting together this TV stand as like an entryway table. It was such a good deal, you guys. Let me find the receipt actually. It was $17.99. I got it from Aldi and it was $17.99 on sale. I thought that was a really good deal for how nice this like wood finish looked, and I know it's small, but I'm trying to, you know, stay on a budget. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna put on some fixer-upper and put this together, and we'll see how that goes. All right, you guys, I finished it. I really, really like it, and since there's already like these holes in the back, I think I am gonna use it as a TV stand and move this, okay, focus. Move this as like the entryway thing and put shoes under it and stuff. So I'm gonna move stuff around and see how that looks. Hello you guys, it is multiple days later. Today is Wednesday, August 8th, I wanna say. And I don't even remember what I showed you guys last, but I have been spray painting some things. Here are the frames that I spray painted before. These two here, they look really nice. I really like how they came out and everything. Oh, I showed you when I built this, so that's really nice. I moved this over here with the shoe rack. That's gonna be painted this color. I still need to paint all this furniture. Bear with me. Maybe I'll paint this today and show you guys me doing that. Oh my gosh, look at this little aloe vera plant that I got. Isn't it so cute? You're supposed to have it by a windowsill, I think. So I put it over here to hopefully get it some light. I'm draining it out, you know, it's okay. Luna is just, you know, living her best life. I wanted to show you guys where I've been filming the last few videos that you guys have seen. This is like behind the scenes of where I've been filming. So this is our bedroom, obviously. Wow, this is not looking great. So this is our bedroom, obviously, and so I have it all set up like this basically, and this is the backdrop that you kind of see. I just got done filming a video for you guys. I'm hoping my mic sounds okay because the sound has been really weird lately, but that's okay. We got our curtains hung in here. Thank the Lord. That was a whole ordeal. That was a whole like thing getting our curtains hung. I don't know if I mentioned it on here or my Snapchat, but like I used to have them hung with with command strip hooks, and that didn't work at this place for some reason. So I ended up nailing it in the wall. Caleb and I did. So that is this. And then usually, like, I'll probably take this stuff down because this weekend my parents are coming. Yay! My mom is gonna be here tomorrow, so I'm trying to get a lot of stuff done today so that we can just like hang out and not have to do a lot, you know? Yeah, my mom's coming. I'm so excited. Oh, another thing I did was these command strip hooks, which were the ones that I tried to hang the curtain with. I just spray painted those black so that they kind of like match a little bit, you know, just look a little nicer. Hang our keys and Luna's leash there and everything like that. I think I'm gonna paint today. Maybe even just this little box thing. I need to go get more paint though. Okay, so I just primed the table with this. It's supposed to help, you know, seal everything in and not get chipping. And then it's out here. So I primed the entryway table with this, and I'm gonna let that dry for a little while and let it cool down and not have sun all right here, and then I'll paint it. All right, you guys, I just put the first coat on the entryway table and it's looking so good. I feel like a little bit of a creeper, not creeper, just weirdo on my little slab of concrete doing this, but whatever. Look at this. It's looking so good. It honestly kind of matches the blanket a little bit darker, but it looks so good. I still need to do another coat probably to finish it all off, but I'm loving it. It is so stinking warm outside. It's 93 right now. Luckily, my patio is shaded now. That's why I ended up doing the second coat, because it's shaded. And this foundation and makeup is looking really nice. This is the CATRICE HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. And it holds up really good in heat. And I need to remember that because I always forget. Luna, what are you doing? She's licking the bottom of this tripod. She has been so sleepy. She seriously has been sleeping the entire day today, and like, I mean, that's not super out of the ordinary, but more so than normal because Caleb took her for a run this morning, so she's exhausted. She hasn't been doing that lately. He used to do it with her all the time, and then, you know, with the move and everything, we got out of our whole workout routine, and so he took her for a run this morning, and she is exhausted. So anyway, I'm gonna edit a video now and then maybe go put the second coat on.